Bethany, do you know what a constellation is?
No.
You know, when you look up in the sky at nighttime, and what can you see in the sky?
Stop.
Stars, right. Can you see a picture that the stars make?
No.
No? Is it made of stars?
Yes.
Is it a picture? A picture
Yeah.
of stars
Yes.
in the sky? Yeah?
Yes.
Right. Stephanie, look up. At night, what can you see in the sky?
Star.
Stars. Lots and lots of stars, right?
Yes.
Look over there. Can you see that cow? You see the cow right there?
No.
So many, 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 many stars, they make a picture. What kind of picture would you make with the stars?
I don't know.
I don't know. What kind of pictures can you see?
Houses.
A house?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see the crab over there?
No.
Do you see the... Oh, look over there. Do you see that big pot over there?
No.
No? They are called constellations, I think. What are they?
Constellation.
Constellations, right. If you could make a picture
Yes.
in the sky, what would you make?
House.
A house?
Yes.
A house, that's a good idea, a house. A big house?
Yes.
Cool. Doobie Doobop, I have our friends' stories all about their constellations. I'm sending them to you now, so you guys can make some great constellations.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡